Welcome back to All Rounders. So guys, in this video, we'll be explaining you the concept of iterations and iterative statements using for loops. And in this video, we'll cover the theory part, and in next video, we'll be doing the implementation. Over to Bhupendra.
So hello guys. So here we start our the topic of the iterative statements, like what are the loops. So basically the loops are the statements from which we can enter a large number of items without running the programs again and again. Guys, uh, in the Python we have basically two types of the loop control statements. First of all, we have the for loop, then we have the while loop. Now suppose guys, if you have to run a program in which you have to print like hello world around 100 times, then you will run that program again and again about 100 times. But if you using the for and while loop, then you can just run the program one time and it will print that hello world 100 times. So this is the usage of the loop. So guys, there are two types of the loops in the Python programming, which are the for loop and while loop. So let's discuss first of all what are the for loops. Then in the later videos we will discuss about the while loops. So what are the for loops? A for loop is used to iterate over a sequence data type. So as you guys know, what are the sequence data types? The sequence data types are the lists and tuples, and these are also iterated on the dictionary data types. The for loop is started by using the keyword for. Then mostly it works on the string, lists, and tuples, and also the dictionary data types. Basically, it works on the number data types, but for that it uses the range function. So guys, what is the range function? Suppose you have to specify a particular range that my program is have to run from 1 to 10. Then we use the range function that it will specify the range between 1 to 10. And if you do not specify the range for the numeric data type, then the for loop will goes to the infinite loop. And for that not happening, we have to stop that loop, and we use the range function. So here is the syntax of the for loop. So first of all, we have to write the for keyword, then the iterator variable, uh, which we will tell you what are the iterator variable in the implementation part. Then we write the in keyword, then the sequence. Sequence is whatever the list, so okay, a tuple, string, or a dictionary data type. Then we put the colon sign. Then we press enter, and then we write the statement whatever we have to uh, show to the output again and again. So guys, now here Jeet will take over.
So guys, for loop iteration is strings, lists, and tuples. So as Bhupendra has already told you that for loops will be used in Python for iterating over number data types, numeric data types, strings, lists, and tuples. So here's the part for strings, lists, and tuples. For the iteration of strings, we have to put that at the place of sequence. For example, for gym in push-ups, and then the statement is print gym. So basically, gym is a variable and push-ups is the string. So it will basically print the sequence of characters, and for the iteration of lists and tuples we have to replace that with the place of sequence. For gym in, and we enter the sequence data type, that is the list over here, and we are writing that variable first for keyword and the variable, then the in membership operator, and then the data type, and then after colon we are giving the statement that has to be printed inside the loop. So that was all about for loop iteration in strings, lists, and tuples. Let's move on. For loop iteration in dictionary data types. So for the iteration of the dictionary items, we have to first store the values into a variable, and then after that we have to put that variable on the place of sequence. For the iteration in dictionary items, we use three different methods, which are get method, keys method, and items method. So guys, in the video where we have explained you the theory of for a dictionary data type, uh, we told you that there are three methods that work that we use to work on dictionary data types, that are get method, keys method, and items method. So in get method, we specify the key, and that this method basically retrieves the key value, sorry, the value for that particular key. And in keys method, it will print the list of tuples for the keys, and in the items method, it will basically return the items, that is values for a dictionary that we are using. So that was all about this video, and in the next video we'll be doing the implementation. So thanks for being a good audience, and stay tuned, guys.